First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, today we've begun to see at least some shower activity moving through the area. Nothing serious, nothing heavy today. This will be just general scattered shower activity. The stronger thunderstorms and the potential for some flooding, rainfall, that's going to come during the day tomorrow into tomorrow night and early Sunday. And that's why we have the flood watches up and the potential for some severe weather. Today, though, as we take a look at radar, we're seeing just those scattered showers we saw this morning. A couple of little showers just northwest of Bowling Green up in Butler County, near the Quality community in southern Butler County, just south of Morgantown, and then a line of showers off to the north and east of us, and it's a nice and warm 62 degrees. Tomorrow is when we're looking for the severe weather threat to go up a little bit more. In fact, by Saturday afternoon, we're looking at the potential here for some strong to severe storms, and some new information coming in from the Storm Prediction Center. We may be looking at a more moderate risk of severe weather than we were looking at a little bit earlier. Looks like they've just upgraded this area for that potential. So we may be looking at more of a severe weather threat tomorrow afternoon simply because of the slow movement of the front moving into the Bowling Green area, and we'll have enough time for the sun to break through and heat up a very unstable atmosphere full of moisture, some strong jet winds moving through the area. All that is a very spring-like setup for the possibility of severe weather tomorrow. So we want you to understand that by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we could be looking even at a threat for some maybe some tornadoes in ahead of that line as it moves through, and then some very heavy rainfall. Well, let's show you what's going on right now as far as the current watch situation, and it's mainly just a flood watch that's in effect. And it's primarily along and west of Interstate 65. That's where we think the heaviest rainfall will fall through noon on Sunday. That flood watch is in effect, but it could be extended a little bit further east. Also, we could see some wind advisories going up because of the strong winds anticipated. 30, 40, 50 mile per hour winds certainly possible. And then the threat of severe weather once we get into tomorrow afternoon. Mesonet precipitation shows that we've picked up 1/10 of an inch of rain here in Bowling Green this morning with the light scattered showers, and around us mainly a 1/4 inch or less across south central Kentucky. Very warm, upper 50s, low 60s right now here in south central Kentucky, with the winds howling out of the south at 20 to 25, sometimes up to 30 miles per hour. Currently from Doppler Cam, looking down Russellville Road toward the Natcher Parkway, overcast, and from time to time a little bit of sun tries to break through. We're at 62 degrees now, south-southwest winds at 16 miles per hour. Here is the view from Greenville in Muhlenberg County. You're at 61 degrees after picking up 0.04 of an inch of rain this morning. In Munfordville in Hart County, 58 degrees. You've picked up a little bit over a 1/4 inch of rain there in Hart County, and in Glasgow Barron County, 61 with 0.05 of an inch of rain. And there's Litchfield with 0.05 of an inch of rain since midnight with a temperature of 59 degrees. 61 at the airport at this hour. 54 in Knoxville after starting in the chillier 30s this morning. Now they're starting to feel that warm air, but look at the big temperature gradient just back to our west. St. Louis is at 67 degrees, up the road in Peoria 36, and down the road from St. Louis in Springfield, Missouri, it is 39 degrees. This is that very slow-moving front that's going to take its sweet time getting here. In fact, it won't be until Sunday before that front really gets through the area, and then the temperatures will go down. Right now, we're 6 degrees warmer in Bowling Green than we were at midday yesterday, but look at the 35-degree-plus drops in temperature back to the west as that cold front takes hold. Look at all the flood advisories. These are flood warnings now from central Indiana into Arkansas, and now winter storm watches and warnings, and even ice storm warnings north of Oklahoma City into Tulsa. It is a big mess. If you're planning on traveling through the weekend, know if you go north or west, it is going to be icy, wintry, snowy. For us, stormy, rainy, windy until we get that front all the way through. I think the heaviest rain and strongest storms for us is going to come sometime tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening here in southern Kentucky. So stay alert, turn on your NOAA weather radios, get your text alerts ready, your apps, check the maps and radars all the way through the weekend. Windy and warm, scattered showers today, 66. No severe weather today or tonight, 58. Scattered shower thunderstorm chance. Then tomorrow, maybe a record high of 72 for the first day of winter. Nonetheless, 100% chance of rain. Showers ending Sunday, turning cooler after a morning high of 63, and then cold as we get into Christmas Eve, but nice Christmas Day, and as temperatures warm back into the 40s. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.